We're going to learn how to format a table. Remember how to insert tables? We go to Insert, Table, and we use one of our table insertion methods. Now once our table is inserted, we have a Table Tools section that comes up. So you have a Design tab and a Layout tab that comes up, and that is how we format and change our table. So how we change the table style is as follows. We go to our Table Styles group, and there are a whole list of different table styles that we can apply to our table. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one. And then we have our table style options, and this affects what our table looks like. And I'm going to go through each one so you can see the effect. So that's the total row effect, last column, and banded rows. So I'm going to take them out one by one so you can see the effect. The header row, total row. We've got the banded rows, first column, last column, and banded columns. And if you take them all out, then it's just a plain table. So if we try that again, if we insert a header row, it's the total row formatting, it's banded rows, and then first column, last column, and banded columns. Now we can also change the shading of our table. So you highlight where you would like to change the shading. So I'm going to highlight our first row. Go to shading, and then you can change your color here. Do it different row. Or you can highlight the entire table and change the shading at once. You can also take the color away. I'm going to take the color away for the entire table. Now you can also add borders to your table, and you go to your borders group. Here you select the border style. So I'm going to select blue border. I'm going to select the type of border that we'd like to choose. The width and the color. So I'm just going to change it over here. Go to borders, and I'm going to select all borders. And there a border has been inserted around every cell. And how to remove the border? So you go to your borders drop down arrow, and you click on no border. And that is how you format your table in Microsoft Word.